Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show how to install Python in Windows 10. Firstly, you have to open a browser to install Python. You can go to the search box and to choose the browser you like most. Now I am opening Google Chrome. After opening this, in this URL section, you can just write www.python.org and press the enter. Then you'll see this interface where you can download Python, or you can also download Python by search on this Google. You can just write download Python and press enter. Here you can see the same URL you have already entered in the previous step. You can click on this and now you are seeing the same interfaces. Here is the latest version of Python, that is 3.9.6. You can download this for Windows, Linux or Unix or macOS or other. Now I'm showing you how to install this on Windows. You have to click on Windows and you will be redirected to this interface. In this page, you can see the released version of Python for Windows. Here you can see the latest version of Python which has been released on 28 June 2021. You can also see the version of Python which has been released in previous time. Here I'm going to install the latest version of Python, that is 3.6.6. You can install 32-bit of Windows installer if your Windows is 32-bit, and if your Windows is 64-bit, then you must install Windows installer 64-bit. As I have 64-bit Windows in my PC, I am downloading Windows installer 64-bit. Just click on this section and it will be downloaded automatically. You can locate this file wherever you want to locate, then press save button and it will be started downloading automatically. After completing of downloading, you can find this file in this location. This file will have the extension of .exe. If you can't find this file after downloading, then you can just go to that browser and you will gonna see the exe file in the below section. Just click on this arrow section and you will going to see this show in folder section, and if you click on this, then you will be redirected to that location where it has been downloaded. Or if you want to install Python directly, then just double click on this Python 3.9.6 this section and it will going to be installing automatically. And again I am saying that if you can't find this file, then go to the browser and go to the download section. Then you can find this file in the download section. Here you can click on show in the folder and you will going to see the file. Just double click on this file, then it will be started installing automatically. As I have already installed Python in my PC, so here you can see this interface. But if you had not installed Python before, then it will be started installing automatically. My next video will be on how to install PyCharm in Windows. Stay connected with my channel. Thank you.